Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do the virtual contest, weekly contest 387. That is a mouthful because it's not really right. The Leetcode Weekly Contest 387 on March 2nd. So yeah, I just came back from watching Dune part 2. So I'm really excited. I did miss the contest result, so we'll do the virtual contest now. Yeah, am I ready? Yeah, I'm as ready as it'll get. So let's go. Let's do a countdown. Five, four, three, two, one. Go, go, go. They make you click an extra button instead of just refreshing, even though where else would you go after starting a contest? All right, let's go. Did I press the button? Okay, just want to make sure I press the buttons. All right, nums into two array. What am I reading? Is this the easy? All right. In the first operation, append num sub 1 to R1. After the if the last element is greater than okay, I mean I think this is just a follow the instruction thing, but it's so awkward. Yeah. Okay, fine. Maybe I don't even need to do it that way. I don't know. This is. I feel like I didn't read enough of this problem, so it's very easy for me to just like I don't know, make a wrong assumption somewhere. Why would you make it one index? That is just like silly. It's like you're trying to mess people up for some reason. But anyway, if last element is greater than R1, okay, fine. And I'm off by 1. All right, greater than, okay, hopefully that's right. 2, 3, 1, all right, let's go. All right. These submatrix problem. I count submatrix of top left element and sum less than k. What does that even mean? All right, let's look at the constraints real quick. 1,000. So all right, well, so maybe I have to do something linear-ish. What is even the problem? The number of submatrix that contains the top left element of grid and have what does that mean? Oh, just like the corner. Okay, so that's much easier actually, right? This is just regular prefix sum. Yeah, I mean there's just regular prefix sum, even easier than usually, maybe. Unless I misread the problem. I want to look at the problems. Okay, so they're Q4. I didn't see Q4 as the same one, so I have to kind of think about it at some point. But okay, well, too late for that. How do I usually write this? Why am I writing this in such a stupid way? Larry, what are you doing? Larry! Why am I writing my prefix sum in a weird way? I don't know. Sometimes I write it this way, sometimes I write it another way. I don't know. I think I'm off by 1. Nope. Was it less than k? I guess if it's less than, it could have been, maybe I didn't need the full prefix sum, but it's fine. Less than or equal to? Nope, just, no. The title doesn't match the thing, so it's a little bit confusing actually. don't know. Hopefully I read this correctly. What am I doing? Oh, because this is 0 instead of none. Oh, the other way around. 4, 6. Alright, let's give it YOLO. If I mess this up, I'll be very sad. I did it go a little bit fast. If this was a real contest, maybe I would spend an extra like half a minute on it, to be honest. But alright, minimum operations to write the letter Y on a grid. What is a Y? You have an n by n matrix. N is odd, so we have 0, 1, and 2. What does the blue thing means? Oh, wait, what? Man, this is okay. So the diagonal start at the top left. All right, the letter Y is running the earth or belonging to Y equal. No. All right, so it's just like brute force, right? Maybe. Yeah, especially if well, maybe I'm misreading this. 49 seems a little bit small for what I was thinking this farm was. A minimum number. No, I mean I don't think so. Unless I'm misconfusing this. I guess it doesn't. The end doesn't really matter. So maybe they just kind of give us a graceful thing, but that's still very awkward. All right, let's see. What is the thing? How do I want to do it? I mean, this is just however you want to do it, right? So let's just say draw Y outside, something like this, right? So then now this would be n to the, so I is equal to j and I is equal to j minus, or n minus j minus 1 all the way up to I is equal to, no. I is equal to n over 2, and then it's just straight down. Okay, fine, right? So yeah. All right, fine. So okay. If grid of ij, how do I write this, right? So if this is in the if I divide or is equal to n over 2, right? So if it's 5, it's gonna be 2, so this is good. Oh, it's less than or equal to, then and let's see, I is equal to j, or I is equal to n minus j minus 1, right? Then okay, then if grid is not equal to y, then delta plus 1. Yeah, I mean otherwise it's good. I have to kind of write this in a funky way. Okay, so if this is the case, then if this is the case, otherwise we want if grid ij is not equal to outside, then delta increment by 1. Otherwise we have the bottom, so then this is just if j is also equal to n over 2, right? If this is the case, if grid of ij, okay, yeah, if this is not equal to what, there's just case analysis, but it's so easy to mess this up, I think. Right, so then now we want to return min of draw 0, 1. Maybe I should write for loops for this. Larry, you know how to write for loops, right? Yeah, because this is how you mess up. I messed that up. Wow. I mean, I caught it, but I still messed it up. Maybe I'll write a folder for this. None type. Does this return none because I don't return anything? All right. Well, that's an easy fix. 3 and 12. All right, let's go. No typo, please. Okay, thank you. Let's take a look at the leaderboard real quick just to kind of get a gauge. All right, it doesn't load. Thank you for your virtual contest. You are useless. All right, I mean, we know what this problem is, right? Maybe. Oh wait, is it? Is it the same one or not? No, it's different. All right, so let's take a look. N is big, so okay. What we define the number of arrays that are strictly greater than y. All right, you need to distribute all the elements of numbers. This seems straightforward, right? It's just like a binary search, right? So yeah, all right. Oh, but you have to return the. No, that's still fine. It's just binary search. You just keep track of two things, right? So yeah. And basically, so this one. I guess I should have done this contest. It seems pretty straightforward so far. I mean, maybe I'll make a mistake here and make me, regret what I said, but I think, I don't know, right? So for I range of, or maybe even just like for x and something like this, right? So then, okay. Let's double check that. Okay, greater count, okay. Yeah, okay. So G1 is just equal to SL1 dot, what's it called? Bisect strictly greater than, right? So bisect right of x, and then G2 is equal to SL2 dot bisect right of x, and then if G1 is greater than G2, then yeah, A1 dot append x, SL1 dot add x, else if G1 is less than G2, then A2, right? Something like this. Watch, I misunderstood this form. I have the tie lesser elements of, okay, so else if, I mean, this should be true. Okay, fine. Else if G1 or length of A1 is less than length of A2, what do we do again? Fewer? Okay, then we want to, maybe I should have a helper for this one. And then just A1, right? Definitely should have a. And then what do we do? And then we still just do like same length, right? Am I misunderstanding this problem? 2, 3, 3. Oh, I got something wrong. Okay, maybe let's take a look. 2, 1. The number of elements. All right. Let's just take a look. Huh? How did I get this wrong? 2, 3. Okay. And then 1, 3. Oh, why did the number of elements greater than 3 is 0. Did I mess this up? Oh, greater than. Oh, I messed this up. I mean, that's fine. It's just changing the binary search. It's just changing this thing. So greater than is just going to be right? I mean, that's pretty much it, right? I mean, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 14, 3, 3, I mean 3, 3, okay, fine. All right, no typo, please. All right, this was a silly contest, I think. I would have done very well apparently and maybe get a high score, but it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know what the yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I don't know. I mean, who knows if I could have replicated this? I mean, some of it maybe I could have been a little bit less YOLO if I did this live, but I don't think there's anything super challenging about this in general. So, good job, Remix. Good job, Chi Chi. Any other notable people? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, oh, and I mean, I wouldn't say congrats to Josh, but I feel like, for Josh, he's not happy with this one for sure. Anyone else? I mean, people haven't finished yet, so it's a little bit awkward. But definitely, well, it would have been eighth. So times 2 if you want to add China. I don't know. But yeah, and could I have gone any faster? I guess I'm just trying to do a review of the content. I guess Q1 I kind of was just 2 minutes for Q1 is a little bit slow, but it's just a lot of reading. 2 minutes for Q2. No, that one's probably roughly right. Like I guess if I had template, it could have been faster, but I don't think so. Q3, which one is this again? Oh, how did I spend 4 minutes? I guess 4 minutes is about right if I want to be cautious. I knew what I was doing. Maybe I could have been a for loop instead. I don't know. Would that have been faster? But and Q4. I mean, in Q4, I think I pretty much did it as soon as I mean, I think it's pretty clear which way to do it. Though I guess I confused the signs, and maybe I could solve 20 seconds already or something. But like, I'm not gonna beat myself over 20 seconds on something like that. But man, I don't know. Yeah. What is the constraint here? One thing that I was a little bit worried about was just like time space constraint because Leetcode is Leetcode, but I guess this is fine. I wish there was a way to look at other people's solution just because I'm curious how people did it. I think in C++, I guess just using all the statistics tree is probably fine, but I'm not that familiar with it. But yeah, it seems like it's a little bit on the easier side. 8th would have probably given me like 20, 30 points or something, or 30 ratings. Not a big deal. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think of this contest, these problems, and everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.